and see it. Okay, let me check the notes. I don't know if Ajara will be able to, but I told her. She brought, there was this questions. Let's see, let me pull up my, yeah, the questions are here. I hope that by now, I think you should be able to answer questions like this. Look at that. Can you do this first one? These were the questions we did yesterday. Can you say that?
Once your screen.
F of x, if f of x equals, if
Once your
f of
screen.
x, yeah, if f of x equals 4, if f of x equals, I want to show, I think I'll make the screen a little, let's make this 5 or 6. 5 is okay. So how do you do that? Can you answer that question? If f of x equals what? If f of x equals 4 minus 5x over 2. If f of x equals 4 minus 5x over 2. Can you read the question? Read the question to me.
I can't see your screen.
Oh, sorry. I wasn't even sharing my screen. Sorry, I thought I was. All right, so I think we can go now. Can you see it then? I think you should be able to see it then.
Yes.
So read that first question. If f of x equals 4 minus 5x, f of x equals 4 minus 5x over 2, and g of x equals x plus 6, where x is a member of R. And they said find f of g inverse. How do you do that? How do you find f of g? Do that somewhere in your
find the first find the inverse by g of x, make g of x equals to y.
No, do it somewhere and tell me the answer.
Okay.
Do it somewhere and tell me the answer. As we wait for, and the link is always valid. Yeah, hurry up, do that. Do that and tell me what the f of the inverse of g will be. Yes, that's it. What is this uncle eating? Do you want? How do you now do that? Given that the b.
I'm coming. I'm looking for a pen.
F of g inverse. What's that? I hope you are doing that yourself and not checking anywhere. Let me even conceal that. We went through all of this yesterday. Hajara said she had already done some of them, so we did the rest. I think we only left out 14 and 15, 14B and yellow 15. And we do those ones later. We're doing math. Whenever all of you are together, we'll do math. When it's just you and Ajara, we'll do further math. This is Ajara. Okay, this is Ajara will be able to join. She has replied. So we're doing math, but we're just doing this to kill the time whilst we wait for Ajara morning. So what's the answer?
Still doing this.
Okay, good. Does Ajara even have mommy's phone all the time now? Okay, it might be a mom that replied that said the one was answer. Okay. This is the kind of decorum I want and expect when all of you are in. I don't want any unnecessary distractions. When you do that, you don't let us achieve much. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And can you also see what? Can you see what's on my display? Oh, beautiful.
Yes,
beautiful.
sir.
Yeah, I was keeping Abdul busy with what we did yesterday. Okay, let's wait for Mohammed. We're doing math because all of you, and Mohammed is not doing further math. When you are all here, we'll do math. When it's you and Abdul, or either of you, we'll do further math. I don't know what Balogun is eating. Is he devouring a mountain? He said he was eating. And he has taken close to 10 minutes. Let me call him. Yeah, Badu, tell me, what's the answer to that? Aja, did you have time to go over that yesterday?
What 26/5?
Yes, sir, and I did the 14 and 15.
Oh, did you get them?
Yes, sir. I think I didn't do 15B or so. Yes, I didn't do 15B.
Yeah, when next we do further math, we'll check that. I enjoyed yesterday's class. There were no, what's it called? Excessive
Distraction.
jokers. Yeah, there were no excessive jokers and excessive distractors and distractions.
Yes,
and
sir.
troublemakers. Yeah, there were no uncontrollable troublemakers.
Yes, sir.
Abadu, I hope we'll be able to achieve as much today that you are here. Because we always lose all of our energy asking you to please concentrate. I don't know why this gentleman is not joining us. What's he eating now? Abadu, yeah, do that. We're just 1 more minute. Mohammed should be able to join.
The answer is 26/5.
Yes, is what?
26/5.
Is that correct? Aja, is that correct for
Now,
this
which
question?
number did you say you should do?
No, this one. That's 10, number 1A.
1A.
We're going over the further math that we did yesterday. First of all, how do you find the inverse of G?
1A is not 26/5.
That answer is not going to say let y be equal to x plus 6. If y is x plus 6, that simply means x is equal to y minus 6. So that means the inverse of G is going to be, you replace the y with x, or the y's with x's. That's going to be x minus 6. You already know that G of x is x plus 6. Is x plus 6. So that's the trick. You make y the subject. Say let G of x be y, and you make x the subject of that, of whatever of that equation. Then you replace the y's in that subject with x's. That's the inverse of G. Now that means f of the inverse of G is now G. The inverse of G is what you are going to substitute for x in f of x. So wherever you see x here, you put that inverse of G, and that's going to be 4.
That's what I did.
Okay, let's see. Let's see if that's correct. 4 minus 5 into x minus 6, and that's going to be 4 minus 5x plus 30
Plus 30 over
over 2. I'm wondering where your 26 over 5, or what did you say it came from? And that's 34 minus 5x over 2. So where do you get that 24 back from? That wasn't correct, sir.
I kept our okay. We're not looking for it.
No, we went to find x now.
I
They
think
said
he's
you should find f of G
done.
inverse. And that's what it means. All of these things are things that you should have, at your fingertips. You can't just keep going, getting it today and forgetting it tomorrow. We are waiting for you, uncle. Are you devouring a mountain? Are you devouring a mountain? Hello? 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 Are you devouring a mountain? What are you eating that's taking you so long to finish? We can't hear you in the class now.
I made a mistake.
Okay, I think it's there now. Where? Tell me where.
Said y equals to x plus 6, then x equals to y minus. It's meant to be negative.
X is y minus 6. So y inverse will now be what you have when you replace the y.
Y is meant to, when y goes to that side, it's meant to be minus y.
Okay. Are you saying I made a mistake here? Let me correct it. X is y minus 6.
Instead of minus y plus 6.
Oh, it's the same thing I'm saying now. Let y be x plus 6. If y is x plus 6,
It's not the same.
make x the subject. If you make x the subject of this, uncle, make x the subject of this. Make x the subject of this. X will be y minus 6 now. Do you understand?
Yes.
So that's it now. Once you're able to make x a subject, you now replace the y in that subject with x. And that's all. Do you understand? So everybody's here now, and we can come back to this when we have further math. Abadu, have you seen that? I think I can
So,
it. That's it. Those now. So let's go back to the math. I'll use the notes. Let me use this note. Yeah. So let's go. Aja, I don't know if you remembered the other day. If you want to, so we're going to that question.
Sir?
Let me put it here. Let's put that question here. I think I have it tight here so that it will be clear. That's the question. Now, you didn't seem to what's it called, to be still connected when we started the correction. So we're going to very quickly for you, Aja, and everybody else can say it too. Always remember this triangle for the special angles of special angles 60 and 30 degrees. And that's all. For this one is for 45 degrees. Sorry, this one is for 40. There's 45 degrees. The 45 degrees is the one that has like this. Exactly. It's an isosceles triangle in which the equal lengths are each 1 unit. Are you there, Balogun? Mohammed, are you there? Balogun, are you there? Why are these people with bad networks? Can you hear me? Please say something if you can hear me. You can hear me. You are all muted now. You started. I'm going to kick all of you out of this place and we'll just end the class. Hello? Why? You are all muted now. How do you expect me to hear you when you are muted? Let me get this to you straight. If you try to be funny today, I'm going to kick you out. There's no room for all of that unnecessary jokes. There's no room for all of that unnecessary joke and what's it called? Any form of unseriousness. Why are you all muted? You shouldn't be muted. Balogun, I don't know why you are muted. We're not moving on until all of you have your microphones on. Balogun, can't you hear me? You are muted. Abadu, why are you muting your microphone too?
Try not to make noise. The environment
You don't
will
have
make
to.
noise.
Keep it on. You won't be able to respond immediately when I ask you questions, and it's stressful asking you to unmute. Let the noise come in. We'll bear with it. Ajara, I cannot hear you. You are muted. I cannot hear you, Balugu. Oh, God of mercy. Hello?
Probably not here.
You can, if you are here, you shouldn't mute yourself now. We're waiting for Ajara, and all of you can hear me at the same time. I think if you just mute yourself, I'll kick you out. If you mute yourself or you mute anybody that's muted will be kicked out. I think that's what I'm going to do. Maybe just one person that will end up, what's it called? Taking the full class. If you are muted, I'll kick you out. If I cannot hear you, there's no point screaming and expecting you to respond when your microphone is switched off. Ajara, you are muting. Your microphone is muted. Why are you muting? Why are you switching off your microphone?
Okay, so I will not mute myself.
Leave it that way now. You know that if I ask you a question, you won't be able to respond immediately. And at times, you don't even remember that you have already muted your microphone.
Yes, sir.
That makes the class slow. You are wasting our time that way. You can all hear me now. So for Aisha, you can hear me. Mohammed, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Abadu, can you hear me?
Yes.
And Ajara, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
There's no point. If you don't want to be here, just say so. We'll let you go. We're not going to be angry. But if you are here, you should be here to work, not to play. So if you are not ready, let me know. If you get unnecessarily jocular, I'll kick you out of this meeting. So now, you are getting muted. I don't know what's happening, Ajara. The noise in the background isn't so bad. Just leave it. We understand that there are children in the background. It's not. It doesn't. We are the ones it disturbs, and it doesn't disturb you. So you shouldn't. It doesn't disturb you that are at the other end now. It can really disturb us. So if we can bear, leave it. Now, so for the 45 degrees, this is the triangle you should always remember. It's a right angle triangle, right angle isosceles triangle. The equal lengths are each one unit. So you can find sine and cosine. Sine, cosine, and tangent of 45 degrees. So to that question, what does that question say? It says, the question says 2 times 60 plus cos 30 all over sine 60, and that's it. When you work it out, that's what you're going to get. Have you copied that, Ajara? Have you copied that correction? Copy that correction. It's amazing how none of you got that. Mohammed, did you copy the correction the other day? Everybody copied that if you didn't copy that. Copy it now that we're here. Copy it. Copy it quickly. And we now go to B. Let's see. I was even mad. Ajara, you didn't. You got 1 over 11. I was going to send it to mommy. I think I want to send that to mommy.
Whatever.
You got 1 now. It was only 1 of the questions you got. That's why we are taking our time to go over the correction, that you get those things. You understand it?
Yes, sir.
I'm sending this one to mommy so that mommy will see how you are faring here.
So you don't need to do that.
No, why won't I do that? That's why you are here now. If it's good, you want me to send it to her, but if it's not very good, you don't want me to. That's corruption in a way. This isn't quite good. This isn't quite impressive. You see, I'm even trying to. I'm reporting euphemistically and not making it sound as bad as it really is. This isn't quite impressive. This buckle up. I hope you're all copying it. Do so. How do they spell buckle? I haven't spelled that word in a while. I hope that's correct. I hope that's correct. That's correct for buckle. You can help me later. I don't think I'm such a bad speller.
I'm sorry, it's B-U-K-L-E, sir.
B-U-K-L-E. Yeah, that's it. That's what I spelled.
But you put C there.
Oh, sorry. Are you sure? It sounds like there is. So that's it. Hurry up, everybody. Copy that. Put that and let's go. Your spelling is not correct. And go, you are not a good speller, Mohammed. Stay down. There's a C in B. There are some spellings you don't just miss. Even in death, you can remember them. So let's go. Who's finished? And we go to B. B says, from an aeroplane in the air. Let's go. From an aeroplane in the air.
So we should do now 10A.
No, we've done it before now. We are doing the correction now. You pretend as if it's the first time you have seen the questions. We've done it now, and all of you missed it. You missed this one too. We're doing the correction. You should have noticed that's how we're going now. Exercise, correction. From an aeroplane in the air and at a horizontal distance of 1,050 meters. Have you all finished copying that?
No, sir.
Okay, hurry up. Please speed up. I'm trying to increase the, what's it called? Yeah. So let's go. Okay, hurry up. Mohammed Balogun, please read the next question to us, and that's 11B. Read 10B
Okay.
to us.
I'm coming soon.
Let's go. Balogun, please read that to us.
Without using math. Okay.
No. That's what we just did now. First of all, we copied this 10A.
10A.
Have you finished copying the correction to 10A?
Oh, the correction. I'm not sure. I don't know.
I have finished it down. You do so now? Hurry up. Let whoever has finished read the next question to us. This is equal to 5. Of course, you can see that that's 5. 503 over 2 times 2 over 3 is going to be 5. Who has copied that? Read the next question to us quickly. Abaru, have you copied that?
Yes.
Okay, you read the question. Next one to us there.
From an airplane, from an airplane in the air and at a horizontal distance of 150 meters. The angles of depression of the top and base of a control tower, for an instance, are 36 degrees and 41 degrees respectively. Calculate correct to the nearest meter the height of the control tower, shortest distance between the airplane and the base of the control tower.
Beautiful. Shortest distance between the aeroplane and the base of the control tower. Can we shoot now? Have you finished that, Balogun?
Yes, I can shoot.
Okay. Yeah. Ajara, can we ride on?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beautiful. So look at that. The angles of depression of the top and bottom of the control tower are respectively 36 degrees and 41 degrees. That means you are looking at the top of the control tower and its bottom from where the aeroplane is. Exactly. So let this be the control tower. Certainly, the control tower will be shorter than the height of the control tower will be shorter than the distance between the aeroplane and the ground level. They said at a horizontal distance of 1,050 meters. So this is 1,050 meters. This is the control tower, while this is the aeroplane, the distance between the aeroplane and the ground. So let's go. You are looking at the top of the control tower. Let me call the top of the control tower Q and its base P. Where the aeroplane is A, and the point, where the ground level B. The point from where it is to the ground B. So what's it called? Now that means if you look here, where you missed it, Ajara, was that you didn't. I think I need to show you that to say it. Look at that. You didn't show the angle of depression correctly. Can you see it? You marked it here. It shouldn't be. Can you say that? Please don't make that mistake. It shouldn't be here. It should be the inclination to the horizontal. Can you say that this is the horizontal? Can you see the horizontal?
Yes.
So the angle of depression of the top of the control tower
So,
is in relation to the horizontal, yes?
please, I'm coming now. Stomach ache. I want to attend to it.
All right, sorry. Take care. Exactly. That's the inclination to the horizontal. And that is what? 36 degrees. Do you understand? That's the angle of depression of the top of the control tower. Now, the angle of depression of the bottom of the control tower, that means you are looking at the bottom P of the control tower from where the aeroplane is, from the point A where the aeroplane is. Do you understand? And that's this.
Yes, sir.
Can you say that that's this? So it's also the inclination to what? To the horizontal up here. Do you understand? It is the inclination to the horizontal here. And that's what? What's our value? What's our value? It's in the question. Beautiful, 41 degrees. Exactly. Always remember, so it's not supposed to be this. Exactly. Now, if this is, you can put, there's another horizontal here. There's a horizontal here too. You can use broken lines if you want to. Use a broken line if you want to. There's a horizontal here. Exactly. So
Yes.
you know that if this is 36, this one is 36, then this will also be what? Balogun, can you tell us what's that?
She's gone.
Balogun, is it gone?
No, sir.
Balogun, are you sleeping? You see that? I think I'm going to call mommy directly if you don't stop switching off your microphone. Can you hear me? Abadud is not here, so it's understandable if it's muted. Balogun, what's this angle? What is this angle? What's this angle? If this one is 36. Hello? What's that angle? What's that angle?
If which one is 36?
Is what?
If which one is 36?
If this one is 36, you see, you were not paying attention. If this angle is 36, this one. What is this one? Come close now. We cannot hear you. Why is it taking you such a long time to respond? If this one is 36, sorry. If this yellow angle is 36, what is this one here?
36.
That's orange.
Okay, sorry about that. Is that orange? Okay, whatever. That's also 36. What's the reason for
that? Alternate angles.
Beautiful. Now, if this peak, I'll be pink rather, you'll be satisfied with my
Okay, yes, I have correct.
If this one is 41, what's this one, Achara?
It is also 41, I guess.
Beautiful. And for the same reason, alternate angles. So, what are we now to do? They said, what's the question?
Now, what year is this?
No, I don't want to tell you. If I'm going to tell you, to be at the end. I really am trying to avoid you getting distracted. That's why I always conceal the years, so that you will not be tempted to copy the solutions and not really to think about it.
Okay, sir.
So what's the question, Balogun? Find the height of the control tower. Balogun, what represents the height of the control tower in this diagram?
AB. I'm not sorry, QP.
Good. QP, very good. That's the control tower. So what do you think we should do to find the height of the control tower? What do you think we're going to do? If let me call this point X. Of course, you know that QX is also 1050 meters. So what do we do, Balogun, to find the height of the control tower? And Aja, I think you'll see where you made a mistake here now. What do we do to find? Aja, can you tell us how do we find the height of the control tower? How do we find?
Mama, you know that missed it.
That's what I'm saying now. All of you missed it. I think all of them missed it. You know, you sent me yours. I've not really marked Balogun, so, but I think he missed it too. You got the diagram, but you didn't. Say that again.
I did not mark it.
You didn't. You didn't get it down.
You didn't mark anyone I did.
Okay, send. Yeah, you send it to me. Send it to me, and I'll mark it from here. Now, so let's go. So how do we find that? How do we find the height of the control tower? How do we find QP?
Opposite over adjacent. What did you say?
No. How do we find QP?
Oh.
Yeah, QP. QP. This one. How do we find it? Mohammed, you can help us too. Mohammed, what do you think? How do you think we're going to be able to find QP? Hey, I don't know what's going on. That's clear now. I can find AB now. Can't I find AB? I can find AB from triangle.
Find AB.
When I know AB, then I can also find AX from triangle QX. And how do I find QP from that?
You subtract.
Simple. Are you there now, Balogo? That's it now. So let's go. I can say, let me write it this way so that you understand. From triangle PAB, exactly, tan 41 degrees equals what, Balogo? Hello. Tan 41 degrees equals what? From triangle PAB.
Tan 41 degrees is equal to.
You are looking at this triangle now. Is equal to what?
So my calculator is.
No, you cannot get the answer. Just tell me what to write down. Tan 41 degrees equals AB over 1050. I expect you to say. You understand?
Yes, sir.
I expect you to just tell us what so. And where do we go from there? Tan 41 degrees equals length AB over 1050. So what is AB? Hello, what's AB? I don't like it when you are too slow. You just like, I don't know, you shouldn't be that slow. 1050 tan 41 degrees.
That's 900.
Say that again. What's up?
0.75.
Say that again.
912.75.
Can you give me 3 decimal places?
751.
And they said we should give an answer correct. So no, that's not even the answer. It doesn't answer. Is it exactly 751?
7510747.
75107. So that's 512. I want to leave it as that. 512 meters. Exactly. Now, what else do we need? We want to find AX. Hello, tell me, how do I find AX? I want to find the length AX. This one. How do I find AX? Hurry up. I know that QX is also 1050 meters. Are you there? Ajara, please tell us, how do we find AX?
AB minus XB now.
No, I've not. Yeah, I need to know. No, I don't know XB now.
Oh, yes.
How do I find AX? From this triangle.
Oh, you said AX.
Yeah, how do I find AB from triangle?
Yeah, opposite over adjacent.
Beautiful. So tell me, what do I write? Do you understand what we're doing?
So is it not to the base of the control tower?
No, they said we should find the height of the control tower. We already talked about what we're going to do before we started. The height of the control tower is QX. So we want to find AB and AX, and then subtract AX from AB to get QP. Do you understand? That's the height of the control tower now. Do you understand?
Oh, sorry, this is another question.
That's what happens when you don't pay attention.
Oh, it's the same question.
It's the same question now. Look at it. If you find height AB and height, and height, what's it called? And height AX. Exactly. The difference between height AB and height AX is the same as the height of the tower. Do you understand? And that's what we are doing. Do you understand? Hello, do you understand?
I didn't see it in the questions.
Sorry?
I said it wasn't in the questions.
It's in the question now. That's the question now.
No, this was not the one we used.
It was. This is it now.
That time.
Sorry?
I said we used the past question that time.
That's what I'm saying now. I just typed the questions out down so that it will be clear. They will be clearer. It's the same question then.
My bad.
It's the same question. So let's go. How do we now find AX? Mohammed, tell us. Ajay was telling us that. How do we find AX? You can find that from triangle QAX. How do we find AX? Ajay, please help me. How do we find AX?
Opposite over adjacent.
Tell me now, tan blah blah
Tan
blah
36 divided by
tan 36 degrees equals what? AX over what? 1050. Do you understand that, Mohammed? And 36 is opposite, which is AX over adjacent, which is 1050 meters. Exactly. So that simply means AX equals what? Can you tell me?
AX.
AX equals what? Mohammed, you should know where we are going. Don't give me, just tell me. Blah 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 times blah blah blah, and then you go to the answer later.
36 times 1050.
1050 tan 36, or if you like, times tan 36. Now you can give me the answer. What's the answer now? And you give me the answer to
160.89.
869. Say that again.
762.869.
697 meters. Adia, can you confirm that? So we can now say QP equals AB minus AX, and that's equal to 912.7512 minus 762 point what? Minus 762 point what's that? 0.8697. And what's the answer? What's the final answer? What's the answer, please? What's the answer? You're a bit too slow for my liking. What's the answer? Let me get on my calculator. What's the answer now? Do the subtraction and give us the answer.
And that's 149.88.
149.88. And what they say we should do? We should leave the answer to the nearest meter. So what's it to the nearest meter?
149.9. Eh? Okay, sorry.
Nearest meter.
150.
Yeah. To the nearest meter. Beautiful. Nearest meter. So we can now say, therefore, the height of the tower. I hope you are writing. I hope you've written that already.
Yes, sir.
The height of a tower, beautiful. The height of a control tower or whatever of a tower equals 150 meters. That was a piece of cake now. Should we wait for you a few seconds to copy that, Mohammed, or you have it already?
I have it already in my brain, sir.
No. Write it down, Uncle. Write it down. Lazy bones. Will you write that down? What do you have in your brain? And when we tell you to redo it tomorrow, you like to flaunt and brag about your self-acclaimed,
About everything.
Yeah, your self-acclaimed brilliance and genius. But when we now say you should do it, you say, excuse me, sir, but you didn't let me copy it that day.
I swear to God.
Should we prove you wrong? Should we prove you wrong?
I can't miss something like this now.
Should we prove you wrong? I'll erase everything and ask you to do it in 2 minutes.
How is that possible? But I can't miss a question like this now.
Hey, I can't dare you now. Let me erase everything and then you do everything for us. The whole of that. I don't know why you missed it. That question was a simple one. Now let's go quickly. Copy that, Balogo. Copy that. You should be writing as I'm writing and be asking questions. We're trying to just be as fast as possible. If you want me to slow down, you tell me and I will do. Now, the next question says the shortest distance between the aeroplane and the base of the controller. Ajara, what's the shortest distance between the aeroplane and the base of the controller? Of course, aeroplane. What would you call it? You can name it down. Which of the lanes represents the shortest distance between the aeroplane and the tower? The shortest distance between the aeroplane and the base of the tower. Tell me the lane. No, that's not correct.
Which one is the airplane? Which one is the base of?
No, the aeroplane is at A now. The base of the tower is P. The top of the tower is Q. And the ground level exactly from the point on the ground exactly is B.
So you said, what was your question, sir?
The question is, what is the shortest distance between the aeroplane and the base of the tower? From the aeroplane to the ground is AB. So A is a point on the ground. B is a point on the ground. So what's the shortest distance between the aeroplane and the base of the tower?
A
Mohammed, can you
P
answer
now.
that? No, it's not AP. You know why? If you look
A
at this
P
triangle,
P, not B.
that's what I'm saying. I got you. I got
Oh,
what you said. It's supposed to be AB. If you look at this triangle, can you see this triangle?
yes, sir.
It's a right angle triangle. And in the right angle triangle, AP is a hypotenuse, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And in the right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is not the shortest, it's the longest length. So if you say the shortest distance between the aeroplane and the base of the tower, it is this distance AB. Exactly. One is this, and another is this. It is the AB that is, the AB is shorter than AP. So that's the one we are taking. It's supposed to be AP. So what's the answer to that? Mohammed, have you copied that? Have you copied that? So Roman figure
No, sir.
2 says, right, now hurry up and we're waiting for you. Shortest distance between aeroplane and tower equals, we already got that value. What is it? 912.7512 equals 912.7512. They said to the nearest meter. I think that applies to both. And that's what I to the nearest meter. What's it to the nearest meter?
913. 913.
Beautiful. 913 meters to the nearest meter. So please write and then to the nearest meter. Always follow the instruction when they say you should approximate to a given degree of accuracy to the nearest meter. Mohammed, we are scrolling down for you now. Do you have it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Should I scroll up? Where do you want me to scroll to?
Okay.
Okay, so hurry up, and we go to the second. This number, question 11B, was the easiest of them all. Was about the easiest of them all, if I may say. Abu Adud, why isn't it coming back? He's even gone. Ajara, you are muted. We can't hear you. Mohammed, do you have that now? You have everything now. Have you copied the short that? Have you copied the second one?
I'm not finished, sir.
Hurry up. Let's wait for you. Ajara, have you copied that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the second question says, make M the subject of the formula. Mohammed, tell me what you did. Tell me what you did now so that I can mark it here too. Hurry up, finish this and tell me what you did in a second before we go to the next.
Sir, you didn't let me finish.
I know, it doesn't matter. Just send it to me now.
Nothing to send.
What do you mean by that? You did a few now.
Oh, the questions. I thought you were talking about.
Send me what you did.
Okay, sir, I'll try.
Tell me what you did. It's not to make you feel bad or shame you. It's to be able to assess you properly. I really need to know what you can do and what you are still struggling with. Or you send that in a second or two. Send it to me on WhatsApp or anywhere. Now let's go. The second one, which is 11A. Make M the subject of the relation H equals MT over. I didn't expect Ajara to miss that.
Did I miss it?
Yeah, you didn't let me land. And I was going to say, I wasn't surprised that you didn't miss it. Yeah, that's it. Mommy, let's go send us yours before we do that. Have you sent it?
No, sir.
Hurry up, quickly.
No, carry on. There's no need to stop.
We are not carrying on to anywhere. Send it to me right away. You cannot escape anything here. Everybody is going to be seeing everybody's, everybody's going to be exposed here. There's no hiding place for anybody here. If you get 0, all of us will say it. If you get 100, everybody will say it. There's no hiding place. So send it. I know your trick. You don't want me to expose you. And unfortunately, there's no hiding place. Hurry up, we're waiting for you. Uncle, hurry up now. It's taking you too long. You already saw what Ajara got now. She was only able to get one of 11 questions.
Okay, yes, sir.
I don't think anything can be more shameful than that. So why?
Hey, I didn't do everything now. And it is not shameful. I'm proud of what
You
I
always
did.
have excuses. I'm just saying that the worst he can get is 0. And is there any difference between 0 and 1? They are both, they are both good scores from behind. So yeah, I don't know why you are
There's no difference.
be ashamed. And there's hardly any difference between 0 and 1 by 11. Mohammed, hurry up now. Okay, I got it. Where's the second page? Where's the second page? Tell me everything now. All right, so let's go. That means you didn't even get this one. First of all, Mohammed, look at that. What you do is cross multiply. Have you seen that? That's going to be HD into bracket M plus P equals what, Mohammed? Hello? Empty. But don't forget that. What are we making the subject? What are we making the subject? M. So what you do is open bracket when necessary and collect all the terms in M. Then once you're able to do that, you're as good as having got the answer. So if we open the bracket on the left-hand side, what do you have? What do you have in the bracket? Beautiful. HDM plus HDP equals empty, right? Now let's collect the M terms. HDM, bring this M to the left-hand side. Empty to the left-hand side becomes minus empty equals what? Minus HDP. Ajahn, are you sure you got? Did you write that? Did I see a minus in your answer? Let me finish it and then I'll come back.
Let me see.
I think you made a mistake. Thank God I already have it here. Let's see.
I didn't make any mistake.
Okay. Where is the minus? Okay. Am I the one that's making a mistake? Let's see. You got HDP that is supposed to be minus HDP. When you did M into
it was I didn't it was empty that I made the subject.
You were supposed to make M the subject. Let me check. This step is correct. MT equals HDM plus HDP. Beautiful. MT minus HDM equals HDP. We should get the same answer. Whether you go my way or your way, it will be the same. ADM plus HDP equals MT. Okay, you took HDM to the left-hand side. ADM, that will now be M into bracket T minus HD equals HDP. Oh, I see what you did. Okay. I can see what you did. It won't be the same thing still. So let's finish it. This will now mean what? M is common, Mohammed. M is common to HDM and MT. We bring that out. What are you going to be left with if we do that? Mohammed, can you tell me? Yes, we are factoring M out of it. HD minus what? Minus what? T minus T equals minus HDP. Beautiful. So now what do we do to get M? Can you tell me what M is now? M is therefore equal to what? M is therefore equal to... Mohammed, can you tell me? No, Mohammed, because you got it.
I'm coming, sir. Check something.
No, just tell me.
He didn't get it.
Be back. He didn't get it.
I didn't do it.
Say that again. You didn't get it, man. You didn't do it because you didn't know it. Someone comes about it. So what's that, Mohammed?
He's gone.
God of mercy. He's not gone now. Why are you noting yourself? What's that?
Somebody's doing.
So what's that? Make M the subject now.
Should I just answer it?
Okay, tell us. Mohammed, can't you make M the subject of this equation?
He said somebody is disturbing him.
No, nobody is disturbing him. Mohammed, we cannot hear you when you are muted. You see, I don't like that we're just doing it without, making sure that everybody's getting it. That will just make you a spectator when you're supposed to be learning in a class.
Yes,
So what is make M the subject?
M. Well, that's M equals minus HDP over HD minus T.
Beautiful. You see, I'm not in doubt that Mohammed is smart. You know, he might not just have had enough as much time as you have had Ajara to learn these things. Because when we learn it, he gets it. So look at that. Let me write it the way Ajara wrote as now. I can bring out a minus in the denominator. It becomes minus HDP over minus into brackets minus HD plus T. You know, if you bring out minus 1, you see that if you open this denominator, you're going to get plus 8D minus T. So this is the same as saying what? This minus divided by minus is plus, so I'm just going to be left with HDP all over. Minus 8D plus T is the same as T minus HD. That's to put it the way Ajara, puts it. It's still the same thing. Do you understand? Do you understand, Mohammed?
Yes, I do.
Have you copied that?
No,
Hurry
sir.
up. Good. So copy that quickly. Ajara got that, and that was quite impressive. Now to the next one. Hurry
Thank
up.
you, sir.
But why did you get the 11B? The 11B was about the easiest of them all. The 11B was extremely easy. I'm wondering why you thought it was. Any question they give you on technical geometry is going to be easy. I think it's one topic you can always be sure that you'll be able to answer any question they give you. So let's go for Mohammed. Hurry up. So what's the next one? It says find angle WX WX what? WXZ. Find angle. Have you finished?
Mr. Can I see number 10B?
Oh, sorry about dude. I picked up on WhatsApp. I couldn't hear you. 10B. That's 10B.
Okay. You can be scrolling down. Just checking the answer.
About you, send me yours. Send me what you did. Everybody should send me what you did. Mohammed has just sent me. Send me yours. Everything. And then you can continue with us. I expect you to get this 11B about A about dude, but I don't know. You are funny at times. So what's the next one? I just read the question B. What's question B? Read 11B to us.
Question what?
11B. 11B.
In the diagram, WY and WZ are straight lines. O is the center of the circle. WXM and angle XWM equals 48 degrees. Calculate angle WYZ.
Beautiful. Calculate the value of angle WYZ. Beautiful. So let's see.
Nobody got... Has Wadu joined the? Okay, don't worry.
Yeah, he just joined us. Just came out. So let's go. So what's there now? I told you no naughtiness and no unnecessary jocosity. Otherwise, you'll be booted. If you like, be funny. And you will not just be booted, you will also be reported. You were being naughty in the lesson. I know what that means. You see now, when I say that you are not serious, you'll be arguing that you are serious. Then Mr. Kennedy tell me that you are just playing. Now, so look at that. This is the simplest one. Is this still Mohammed so about dudes? I don't think so. I think yeah. So look at it. This is the simplest one. 11B. And there's just one thing you need to do. 11B. You have a circle here. One circle here. Now, so look at it. Mohammed, say it. This is one circle. Aja, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
This is one circle. Let me make another one just like that. Copy and paste it here.
So I've sent it.
Beautiful. Now, so I want everybody to be seeing everybody's what's it called? To be seeing each other's anus. Nobody, there's no hiding place for anybody. If you see Aja, she'll see yours too. Everybody.
Oh my god.
No, I'm just saying that nobody is going to. There's no hiding place for anybody. That's why all of you will be displayed. All of your scores will be displayed here. So if you don't get it, everybody will see it. If you get it, everybody will see it. That's the diagram. Thank God I didn't tell about do that before he sent. Maybe we would have sent it. We'd have found an excuse. Now, so look at that. O is center of the circle. Look up, everybody. O is center of the circle. This line is joined to this. You see that this one is the simplest one. It's not the simplest of them. And this angle is 48 degrees. This is X, Y, Z, M, and this W. Now look up, everybody. Can you hear me? The only thing what you need to do is join X to M. Can you hear me, Abadul?
Yes.
If you join X to M, Mohammed, what can you say about the angle WXM? What's angle WXM?
That's 90
If you
degrees.
join, and what's the reason for that?
There are two reasons actually. One is angle.
It's just one reason. It's just one reason.
There are two actually. There are two.
Okay, give me. Wow, that's brilliant. Tell us the two.
First one is the angle in a semicircle.
Fantastic. What's
and
the other?
Second one is angle at the center. The angle at the circumference equals half the angle at the center. And that the center is
saying? So
the angle at the center is 180.
The angle at the center is what?
180.
Your what's it called? Your theorem is actually an unusual one. You are seeing this as 180 angles on a straight line, some angles on a straight line, and this one at the circumference is going to be half. Wow, that's a very, very strange theorem to apply. But I think I want to take it. That's beautiful. But really, what she says is the theorem that they use here is angle in a semicircle. Exactly. I think that's one that you have thought of is a good one. So it might just be a bit primitive, but I think it's logical. So angle in a semicircle. Do you understand that, Ajara? Do you understand that? Hello? Are they gone? Do you understand that, Ajara? Angle in a semicircle. How do you know that?
Sir.
Just see the lines that form a triangle with that chord, with that diameter. This line WX and this line XM. So they meet at the circumference of a circle to form a triangle with the diameter. So the angle they form at that circumference is going to be 90. So now, having known that, what else do we need? Who can tell me what's this angle? Who can tell me what this angle is? What's angle XMZ? What is angle XMZ? Who can tell me what angle XMZ is? What angle XMZ? There's a thumbs up for you if you get that.
So angle XMZ equals 138.
138.
What's your reason for that, please?
This triangle is it?
Wait, okay. Let us one person at a time. Ajara, you go. I can hear you.
This triangle is
name
you add
the
WXM. WXM.
Beautiful.
If you get this to be
if you cannot give me the reason for it, then I'm not giving it to you.
So wait, this other angle is 42. Then using angles on a straight line, you just subtract 42 from 180.
Beautiful. I take that. I think you are saying this is going to be 42 degrees. And if you take that out of 180, you get 130, whatever you are calling 130 degrees. Fantastic. Mohammed, what would you say? What would you have said? What's your own reason? That's correct, Ajara. Mohammed,
my reason.
Yeah.
Like you find that angle XMW, then you remove from 180.
Okay, why didn't any of you see that? Why didn't any of you see that? Why didn't any of you see that this angle XMZ? Hold on, listen to me. Why didn't any of you see that this angle XMZ is an exterior angle to the triangle WXM? And you know that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. That's 90 plus 48. You know, I always say you shade this other part, and the remaining two angles are the opposite interior angles. You understand? There are no penalties for you choosing to do it a particular way. I'm just saying that at times it is an easier approach. You know, why going around? Do you understand? Fantastic, fantastic. That's really good. I think you are really catching up. So that's 138 degrees. So how do you now find angle WX, angle WYZ? How do you find this angle? WYZ. Abadu, tell us. Uncle, are you sleeping? Is it because we said it should be troublesome that you don't want to What angle WYZ? Having found XMZ, how do you find WYZ?
Okay, see. So
I'll go to the straightforward now. Mohammed, please help him. Help your friend. Say that again.
Circle quadrilateral.
So what's your reason?
Because 180.
Tell me the answer. What is angle WYZ? And tell me why it is whatever you think it is.
42.
Say that again.
42.
You said 48. Where did you get 48 from? So Abadu, tell us why is it
42?
Oh, sorry about that. Why is it 42 degrees?
Opposite angles of a circular quadrilateral equals to 180. The 180 minus 138.
Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. Please say it this way. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. That means they add up to 180. Just say opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Simple. That question was simple now, and none of you got it. You know. So that's it. So let's copy the correction neatly now.
I got it.
You didn't get it.
I got it.
Who got it? Who's saying he got
Everyone.
it?
I got it.
No, but I don't. Mohammed didn't get
That's
it.
That's my solution.
Okay. Yes. Thank God.
Everybody got it, I beg.
Serious. Yeah, okay, let's see. Ajara didn't get it.
Everybody got it.
It's a little bit rough because I snapped it on my handwriting.
All of you are 419ers. Where did everybody get it? Don't I have everybody's work here? I have what?
I'll check it.
Okay, I'm checking. I think it looks like Abadud got it.
Maybe he copied from somewhere.
No, he didn't just do it now. He did it.
In the class I was copying like as far. He didn't see my work. He didn't see me copying. I just took my past question out. I kept it on the table and he didn't see it. I removed his eyes for like 15 minutes so he couldn't see me copying from
nobody even knows
past question.
Oh God.
Let's now see. I'm sending it to the chat. What's it called? Yeah, to the Skype, to the chat here, so that I can now download and then see. Let me now check it. I think since you got it. Let me save. What is it called? My Amazon first. Save. If you had sent me all of this, I would have done it before now. Please copy the. Okay, we are now going to write it in detail so that you see what the solution should be. This is your own about. That question looked a bit tricky, but it was really simple. Okay, that question looked a bit tricky. So now let's see that. Let me now see who got what. So let's see who got it. Take this off. This is it. Mohammed, where is yours? This is yours. Did you get it? Let me rotate this one. Please copy. You should be able to copy that solution now. I don't think, did you do it? Mohammed, you didn't get it now. This is your work. You didn't get it. It's not here. You didn't get it. I thought they said you got it. Can you hear me? I hope you are also there. Can you hear me? You are muted. I can't hear you.
Yes, I did.
You didn't get it now. This is it. This is your work now. Let's go. Let's go there. Oh, okay. Beautiful. X. You said XY. Mohammed, you said XYZ. Is it XYZ or WYZ? Mohammed, did you mean to write WYZ? I can see here you wrote XYZ. Hello? Answer me. Did you mean to write WYZ 180? XMZ equals 138 degrees. XMZ plus 138 equals 180. Okay, you named it XYZ. I'll still give it to you. It's the same as. Please always name it the way it is in the question. You understand? You understand, Mohammed? Always name your angles how they are named in the question. So WYZ equals 42 degrees. Wow, that's fantastic. And that's good. You got that. I give it to you. Let me see about Newton. Did he get it too? Okay, you got it too. Fantastic. You got it too. Good. I think only Ajara missed this one. Yeah. So let's go. What's the next one? What's the next question? Now here, of course, we are going to write it. What's it called? Write out all of the readings down. We don't even need to. Ajara, have you copied that question? That correction? WXM equals 90 degrees. Angle in a semicircle. Right as we go, please. Angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Angle in a semicircle. Now, if that's 90 degrees, then I know that angle XMZ equals 90 plus 48. And the reason for that is exterior angle of triangle WXM. Or if you like, you can say exterior angle of a triangle equals sum of opposite interior angles. So that means angle XMZ equals 138 degrees. So I can say angle WYZ plus 138 equals 180 degrees. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. You can put it this way, or just name the cyclic quadrilateral of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Or simply say opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral and then name the cyclic quadrilateral. So that simply means angle WYZ equals 180 minus 138, which is equal to 42 degrees. Have you copied that, Ajara? Have you copied that?
Yeah, no, sir.
Okay, hurry up. Let's wait for you. Now, the next one. Who's reading the next one? Yeah, let's wait for you. Copy it.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry? Copy that. Now, Abadu, read it. No, Mohammed, read the next one. I think Abadu does not read the last one. Mohammed, read the next question. That's 11C. Yeah. Tell me when you want me to scroll up, Ajara. Let's go. Read the next one, 11C.
Sir?
Read the next one. Read 11C. 11C.
Okay. An operation X is...
Are you getting tired? Why are you yawning? Did you sleep on Netflix last night? Let's go.
And
call it circle times.
And let me see. An operation circle times is defined as, so I can't see it again. Oh, it's defined on the set X equals 1, 3, 5, 6 by M circle times N equals M plus N plus 2 into bracket mod 7.
Yeah.
Where N equals X.
No, M and N are members of X. That's the symbol for member of. That means it belongs to the set X. M and N are in the set X. So let's go.
Where M N equals X.
Where M, N are members of X.
Where M and are members of X.
Let's go Roman figure 1. Let's go Roman figure 1. What does that say?
Draw a table for preparation. And using the table, find the two sets of 3 times n equals 3. And n 4 times n equals 3.
Beautiful. Ajara, have we copied that? Can we go? Have we copied that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let's go to this one. That's C. That's 11C. How do you make the table? I think Abradud had a good attempt. I'm not sure. I'm not sure he got it, but I think I saw his attempt. So this is the operation circle times, and this is you know. So you can put some of the elements here. What are they? How do we make the table? Who can tell us how to make the table? How do we make the table? Okay.
So you put every value, you put it horizontally and what's it called?
Okay, beautiful.
Vertically.
Beautiful. 1, 3.
1, 3, 5, 6. 1, 3, 5, 6 there too.
Beautiful. 1, 3, 5, 6. And here we also have 1, 3, 5, 6. Do you understand? Let's make columns here. Balogo, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so now let's go. What's the definition of the operation? Don't forget definition. Definition is M circle times what? What's the definition of the operation, Najara? M circle times N equals what? Hello, Ajara, please help us. M circle times N equals what? M circle times N equals what, Ajara? Is a shit there? You are muted. You see, the boys are not.
So you're going to kick out anybody that did not mute their microphone, and I can do the honors, sir.
Say that again.
So I can do the honors.
Okay, you give it to us then. What is M circle times N? We cannot hear you.
No, not of answering the question of kicking out of the meeting, sir.
Oh, sorry, sir. I went somewhere.
Okay, you should take an excuse. Now, what is the definition of the operation? M circle times N equals what? M plus N plus 2 mod 7. They said we should make a table. Ajara, draw a table for the operation. So now, what is 1 circle times 1? That will be what, Ajara? 1 circle times 1 is what? Don't forget the definition of the operation. This is the definition. Here is the definition of the operation. Can you say that? So let's go. What is 1 circle times 1?
Okay.
Yes, that's the definition of the 1 circle times 1 is what?
1.
No, here
I don't know this thing.
No, this is not difficult. And M is 1 and N is also equal to 1. So M circle N will be 1 circle times 1, and that will be what? 1 plus 1 plus 2 mod 7. Exactly. And what's that? The idea of a mod is, the trick is when you get a number that's greater than 7, subtract 7 and write the remainder. Do you understand? So that will be 2 plus 2, 4. It's not even up to 7, so we don't need, we are just writing 4. Do you understand? Do you understand? Now let's go.
Sir.
What is 1 circle times 3? Mohammed, what's 1 circle times 3? Mohammed, what's 1 circle times 3? That's 1 plus 3 plus 2 7. And that's what? 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 2 is 6. It's not up to 7, so we just write the 6. Are you following? Abadud was 1 circle times 5. I think it was only Abadud that did that part well. Abadud was 1 circle times 5 is what? What's
so wait, how did you get 6?
How did I get what?
Wait,
that will be 1, I think.
No,
6.
They already gave us a set. So how I got 6? That's 1 circle times 3 is the same as 1 plus 3. M is 1 and N is 3. So M plus N means 1 plus 2 mod 7. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So now 1 mod, Abrado, what did you call it? 1 circle times 5 is what?
That should be 1.
Oh, what is Mohammed, you understand that we got that? That's 1 plus 5 plus 2 mod 7, which is 1 plus 5 is 6 plus 2, 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. Is 8 minus 7 will leave a remainder of 1, so we write the 1. So Mohammed, tell us what is 1 mod 6? Sorry, 1 circle times 6.
Yeah. Yes.
1 circle times 6.
2.
No, let him say it down, please. I want to be sure he knows it. 1 circle times 6 is what? 1 plus 6 plus
Baba
2.
is gone.
Mohammed, you're always so slow now. Can't you just say the answers? Can you hear me?
His
Why
brain
is
is
always,
slow.
why is your battery always down? Your uncle say something. What is 1 circle times 6?
1
Hello?
plus 6 and 1 plus 6 plus 2.
And that's
7.
what? That's what?
Sure.
1 plus 6 is 7. Yes? You want to take another leave. 1 plus 6 is 7 plus 2 is 9. So just say 9 minus 7, 2. You write that remainder 2. Do you understand? Now, Mama, you are giving us all of these. 3 circle times 1 is what? Quickly. 3 circle times 1 is what?
3.
3 circle times 1 is what? M plus N plus 2.
I think I made a mistake.
Mohammed, M is 3 here and N is 2. So what is 3 plus 2 plus 2? Sorry, M is 3 and N is 1. So what's 3 plus 1 plus 2?
3 plus 1 plus 2 is
3 circle times 1 is 3 plus 1 plus 2
and
mod 7. That's what?
6.
6, because now up to 7, 3 plus 4, that's 6. The next one, you are giving us everything for this column. Yeah. 3 circle times 3 is what? Mohammed, you are slow. You shouldn't be this slow.
So, why they won't giving you everything?
How you so much?
Abadu, don't you think that this friend of yours is lazy? Is this like some very big deal that you feel like, how am I the only one doing all the job here and all the work here? What's the big is that stressful? I just 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the big deal? You should be happy that you are the one I'm even asking to do that, because you are learning better when you are given tasks to do.
The answer is 2, sir.
That's 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 2, 8. It's not 2. 3 circle times 3. Yeah, 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 2, 8. It's not 2 now, is that 2? Mod 7.
So don't worry, I'll get to you shortly, sir.
Say that again.
So I'll get to you shortly, sir. I want
So
to.
before you go, check this answer. That's 1. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 2, 8. 8 minus 7, 1. So it should be 1. Was he leaving? Why did he say he would get to us shortly? All right, Abadu, you go from there. What's 3 circle times 5?
I think the answer should be 3.
You should be sure now. You can't be thinking. 3 circle times 5 is what?
3.
3 plus 5, 8 plus 2, 9. It's not at 3 now.
It's 3 now.
It's not. 3 circle times 5. Ajara is what? 3 plus 5 plus 2 mod 7. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 2. Oh, 10. Correct. Sorry about that. Now, what's the next one? 3 circle times 6 is what? Amadu, please give us the answer. 3 circle times 6 is what?
3, 6. That would be 9, 2. That would be 4.
Beautiful. 4. Ajara, are you there? You go. The next
Yes,
one.
sir.
You go. 5 circle times 1 is what? 5 circle times 1 is what? I need somebody that will just give it to me as I ask. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go.
5, 1. That would be 1.
Let Ajara do it. Ajara, let's go. 5 circle times 1 is what? 5 plus 1 plus 2. 6 plus 2, 8. Mod 7, that's 8 minus, that's 8. 8 minus 7, 1. 8 minus 7, 1. So that's what you write. What's 5 circle times 2? Give us everything for that. I'll go watch. What's 5 circle times 2? Let's go. 5 circle times 2 is what? Is Angela there? We cannot hear you. Say something. Yeah. So do it. That's straightforward.
Shut up.
5 circle times 2. No, don't say that. Okay, I think
Why?
we're both. So is addition. That's what it is. 5 plus 2
Sir,
plus
sir, I don't think there is 2 in the distance, sir.
in what? In the question.
In the table.
How do you mean there's 2? Oh, okay.
There's no 2, sir.
So what will be there?
3. It's 3, not 2, sir.
Is that answer supposed to be 3? Or you are saying?
I mean 5 star 3 is not 5 star 2.
Oh, sorry. 5, 5 circle times 3.
Yes,
sorry. So Ajara, tell us, thank you for that correction. So that's 5 plus 3 plus 2 mod 7. So what's the answer, Ajara?
The answer.
No, let Ajara say it, please. Everybody must be in the class. Ajara, can you help us with that?
10.
You subtract 7 if you get a number that's bigger than
3.
7. Write the remainder 3. The next one, give us the next one.
Oh.
Tick tock. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
8.
That is 2.
Okay, 1.
No. 5 circle times 5. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 2, 12.
Sorry. That's 5.
How many times are you going to say it before you get it? Now, Ajara, the last one. 5 circle times 6. Ajara, you are not getting them. I'll do this one helping you. 5 circle times 6. That's what?
That's just 6.
6.
How did you get the 6?
I am confused.
Subtract.
No, hold on, please. We have to be sure that nobody's confused. Ajara, this is it now. You add. The definition says m circle times n means m plus n plus 2 mod 7. So if I say 5 circle times 3, it's going to be m is 5 and n is 3. So that will be 5 plus 3, m plus n plus 2. That's 8 plus 2, 10. When you get a number that's bigger than 7, you subtract 7 from it and write the remainder. 8 plus 2 is 10. Exactly. So what is 10 minus 7? 3. So it is 3 that I'm going to write here. That's why 5 circle times 3 is 3. Do you understand now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
And now for 5 circle times 5, this one. 5 times 5. That will be 5 plus 5 plus 2. Don't forget the mod 7. That's 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. So that's what you write. 5 circle times 6. That's going to be 5 plus 6 plus 2 mod 7. 5 plus 6 is 11. Plus 2 is 13. 13 minus 7 is what? Is 6. That's what will be there. Do you understand? So can you do all of the rest for us now? Can you do all the rest? Let's go. Do all the. I hope you'll be like Mohammed. I'll say, Sir, why am I the one to answer all of them? Let's go, Ajara. What's 6 circle times 1? It's Mohammed that says that when I ask him to do everything, he'll say, why am I the one to do everything? As if you have given him one, ask him to lift a mountain. So let's go. 6 circle times 1 is what now?
Yeah, of course, it's not fair, sir.
But it's actually the fairest thing to do to you. I'm making you be the, what's it called? The one who participates the most. And that's the best thing you can get in a class, or a teacher can do for you in a class. Because the person who participates the most is probably the one that learns the most. Now let's go, Ajara. What's 6 circle times 1? Don't be confused, please. What's that?
0.
No, let us say it. Let's think about it. 6 circle times 1. We can be very, very fast.
I'm actually wrong.
0.
What's the answer?
I'm actually wrong.
So, Ajara, tell us the answer. Just follow the rule now. That's 6 plus 1 plus 2. What is that, Ajara?
That's 2 now.
That's 7. That's 9 minus 7. 2. Please, nobody should talk. Ajara, please tell us. Mohammed, don't talk.
That's 2.
Correct. The next one.
6 + 1 + 2 is 2.
6 second times 3.
11 minus 7 from 9, 10. 4.
4. Beautiful. That's correct. And what's the next one? The next one. 6 second times 5.
12, 13.
I think there was one that was 0. I think that should be the
6.
Hold on. So the last one, let's finish it and then we'll get to that part. The last one.
12, 13, 14. 0.
Hey, you know
0.
Beautiful. 14 minus 7 is 7. Exactly. So how do we now get the 0? You subtract another 7 and that's 0. That's the one that's 0. So what's the question? That's the table. We answered Roman figure 1. That's Roman figure 1.
First answer is 5. Second answer is
So what's the second question? How do we do the second? It says
from the table. I meant to use the table to find this stuff.
Okay, Roman figure 2. We're using the table. So how do we do that?
First answer is 5.
Okay. Now, do you understand how we got that? 3 second times n equals what? Equals 3. Now, Mohammed, from the table, what do you combine with 3 to get 3 from the table, Mohammed? Please don't talk if I don't call you, ask you a question. Mohammed, are you there? Or that's too much for you alone?
5.
Okay. No, what do you combine with 3 to get 3? When you combine something with 3, you get the same 3 back. What's that thing? Oh, 5. Fantastic. So that means n is 5. From the table, n equals 5. From the table, n equals 5. Beautiful. The next one, what's the next one? Ajara, you answer that. That's Roman figure 2. Why are you people yawning? God of mercy.
Why not?
Oh, why would you say why not? Should I understand that you've been walking a lot? Yeah, I feel like, why are you yawning? Did you leave the mountain overnight? Or are you tired? Or you are just being lazy? Okay, so let's go. Ajay, what's the next one? What is n second times n? If n second times n is 3, what is n? Yeah, what's n? Are you there? What n if n second times n is 3? What n?
And that's what I wanted to say. Something, so I think there's something wrong with your table.
Okay, you think there's an error in that question?
No, not an error. I got it, sir. I think there's a mistake from the one, like 1 star 1. I'm not sure. I just think so. That should be 2 plus 2, 4. Then 7 minus 4, 3.
1 plus 2 plus, that's 4 now.
Yeah, I meant to subtract 7 minus 4.
If you get a number that's less than 7, you can't subtract them.
Well, if you don't do it, I don't think the answer will not come out from the table. That's what I think.
4 is actually correct now. That means if there's no answer, it's an empty set now. That's what it means.
So I don't understand this from my figure 2.
Okay, that's what we are discussing. There's nothing you can combine with itself to get 3. Is there any number you can combine with itself to get the same 3, to get 3? Any number that you can combine with itself to get 3. What's it? Let's check. 1 second times 1 is not 1.
I don't think so.
3 second times 3 is not 3. 5 second times 5 is not 5. Oh, that's 5 now. It's not 3. No, but it's not 3. What we combine with itself to get 3, the answer is not 3. It's not 3. 5 second times 5 is 5, not 3. But it has to be 3 for it to be n. 6 second times 6 is what? Mohammed.
Sir?
6 second times 6 is what?
67 times 6.
6 second times 6.
Oh, that is 0.
Uncle, I don't think you were here. I hope you don't have your Xbox somewhere nearby and you're just pretending as if you are here because you are sounding lost. You're sounding lost.
So how you think that?
Okay.
It's always lost.
No, I don't want to agree. Angela, why are you slapping Mohammed with a sledgehammer? Mohammed is always a good boy.
I know.
And you know that everybody knows that Mohammed is a good boy. He's a very, very.
Very.
No, jokes apart. Mohammed is a good boy. So 6, 7 times.
He's,
Is
yes,
what
I'm,
it
I'm,
is.
I'm testifying to that.
No, that's a truth now. That's no flag sheet. Mohammed is a very good boy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I know you are mocking him, but Mohammed is a good boy. Whether you like it,
Yes,
whether you
no,
like it or
I'm saying he's a good boy. He's actually a very good boy.
not. Mohammed is a good boy. So there's nothing you can combine with yourself to get 3. That means N is empty. Exactly. That's what you do. Abadu, you actually understood the what's it called, the trick there. That was why you thought there was no answer. You just say it's empty. Do you
Abadul
understand?
is gone.
Is it gone?
My
It's
phone.
gone. You can say that or use this. Any of the
He's
symbols that
gone.
represents emptiness
My
in the
phone.
set.
My phone.
Is there. So copy that, everybody. Mohammed, copy that, and Ajara, both of you didn't get that. I think about
Tell me I got it. That's the last part I didn't get.
yeah, about you are smart. No doubt about that. They know
Very.
they know that you are not their mate.
Yeah, I know. Thanks for the
We are not
compliment.
his mates. Sorry, I
Yeah,
am not his mate.
yeah, Ajara and Mohammed know that, they are not your mates. You are not at the
I
same
don't know
level.
about the other one, no, but
Exactly.
yeah, me and his
You
mate.
you know that you are not at the same level with Abu Adud. Abu Adud is the boss here.
Yes, I'm better than him, obviously. I was also in a very
Obviously.
good mood
Ah.
yesterday. Yes, sir.
No, we are going
Good
to have a
girl.
test.
I
We are
mean,
going to have a test for a
all of you are still
competition.
behind.
Yeah, to
I've been
prove
saying that for like how many years now?
it will happen someday to put everybody in their position. So
And we've not
anybody
done any
who
tests.
wins is a
Exactly.
bear. I'm going to do it someday. So
And you
let's
give
see.
them 100K, right?
That's so
Mm-hmm.
that's
100.
so mommy,
Okay.
mommy will even probe you if you get that to say that, hey, how would you get that kind of money from nursing? Are you sure you are not doing another business with your teacher? Maybe you are doing
Yeah.
what you call internet fraud together. So that's it.
What was
End is fine.
internet fraud?
Human figure 2 is an empty set because there's no element you can combine with yourself to get 3. So just say, copy that Jara and Mohammed, and then we now go to last.
I'm done.
So let's Mohammed, have you copied
Why
that?
you singing?
I know you're not allowed to do that here, please. Now let's go. How many did you get? I think Abadud has already got. This one is, look at your diagram here, Abadud. Abadud, did
I
you
made
get
some
that?
mistakes.
This is the inclination. This is horizontal. Depression is an inclination. An angle of depression is an inclination to the horizontal at that point above the ground.
Wait, did you ask
So
Wadud what he got in this mock? Excuse me, sir.
okay. Well, yeah, by the way.
Did you ask
Hey,
Wadud what
I better mind your business.
Sir?
No. Yeah, I didn't ask him. He didn't tell me there was any mock.
You can ask him now. Feel free to ask him now.
About what did you get in the mock? And why have you been keeping me out of,
What I
Because
get?
he failed. He banned big time.
Wow. What did you get about it?
Am I you? I don't understand.
What did you get in the mock that Ajara is talking about?
Am I Unilol?
I don't understand. In what way?
No, Ajara is talking about the mock exam that you did recently now. What did you get in that mock?
He doesn't
So you're allowing
understand.
us
To do what?
like, I don't understand. Like, what did I get? Like, how? Like, I told you now that time back in the
So
when
that's
you when
what
the
his grade was.
I thought it was a recent mock. Ajara, you already told me that.
yay business.
So,
He already told you that one.
Yes, you already told me that. The inclination to horizontal 36
And
is
what's ye?
36. All right,
So
go.
did
Let's
he get
now,
A or B?
Don't worry, I'll tell you. Both of you didn't do very, very well in that mock. I think it was only your math. No, your math was good. But
I got the highest in further math, so I tried.
What did you get?
I
I got the highest between the boys and
No,
girls.
Ajara, what was that?
You got
I
you
got
got
C.
F9.
I got C.
F9.
Don't worry. Let's see what's going to happen in this GC. To be honest, if you get at least 4 awards in this GC, I'm going to personally celebrate. I'm not saying I'm buying anything.
So you cannot use GCE as So you cannot use
How you
GCE
celebrate by
as
yourself?
Okay, maybe I'll wait for a while. No, I'll just be happy now and I'll throw up a celebration.
I could have paid for any answers. Anyhow.
Okay, that's true. Then WAEC is better. Maybe we should wait for WAEC. There's so much corruption in the GC. You're right. I know.
Jingle bell,
You
jingle
cannot trust
bell.
why.
Now you are not allowed to sing, young man.
No
So
problem.
let's go. What's the next one? Have you copied
God
that?
trust me.
Number 12. Mohammed, read the next one. Read question 12. Nobody got this one. I was amazing. Say that again. Have you copied
that question?
Okay. Have you copied this?
Jingle bell, jingle, jingle bell.
You started. We'll kick you out. We are going to kick you out of this place.
What did I do now?
I can do the honors, sir.
Say that again.
God.
I can do the honors, sir.
How do you mean by doing? What do you mean doing the? I said you should read the question.
Yes.
Oh, okay. You can help me boot in. Don't worry. I don't want to go there yet. When it's time, you'll just see that he's gone and he's never coming back. So now, Mohammed, read the next one. Read number 12 quickly. Why didn't any of you get this number 12? I don't think that question.
The water reservoir.
I would have gotten it, but I wasn't in the mood to get it. So.
Okay, we agree.
A water reservoir in form of a cone mounted in a hemisphere is built such that the plane face of the hemisphere fits exactly to the base of the cone and the.
Hold on, it should be mounted on the hemisphere.
He said, hold on.
It should be mounted on the hemisphere. Yeah, thank you. So let's go.
Yeah, as I was saying, a water reservoir in form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere is built such that the plane face of the hemisphere fits exactly to the base of the cone, and the height of the cone is 6 times the radius of the base.
Radius of what?
Of its base.
Beautiful.
Illustrate this information in a diagram, which I illustrated perfectly.
We didn't ask you to advertise now.
Yeah.
Just read the question.
You didn't allow me to finish the question, sir. So I said, what you did was not fair. They didn't give about time. You didn't give anyone. It's not me you gave time.
Can you finish the question?
No problem. If the volume of the reservoir is, please keep quiet, we're carrying on with Alice. If the volume of the reservoir is 303 half pi centimeters.
No, 1/3 is actually 1/3. 333 number 1/3 pi centimeter cubed.
Yes, sir.
She's blind.
Sir, please.
That's unfair. You don't say that. I don't know why you all don't really like yourselves. Now let's go. Let's go. Calculate, yeah. Mohammed, can we go?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Calculate correct to the nearest whole number, the volume of the hemisphere, and the total surface area of the reservoir.
Yeah, take pi constant over. To be honest, and that's not
finished.
I think Mohammed reads very well. I can say he's the one that reads. Mohammed, I think you read well. Not because when you read. That's good. And you read with punctuation. That's good. You can play back this recording and you agree with me that Mohammed is the best reader here. You can play the recording later and tell me if you disagree or if you think otherwise.
Hey, Mohammed.
Yeah, Mohammed reads very well. Now let's go. Look at that. Now, Ajara, look at it. This is the hemisphere. You know what the hemisphere looks like now. Look at that, everybody. You know what the hemisphere looks like. Now, the cone sits on the hemisphere. They said the plane face, let me read that part, so that the plane face of the hemisphere fits exactly to the base of the cone. That means the base of the cone is buried in the hemisphere. Ajara, do you understand that part? Hello? Ajara, do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
The base of the cone, beautiful, is buried in the hemisphere. Exactly. You see, what's
now wait, too. I drew this diagram. So how did I get 1/11?
No, I didn't mark it because you didn't get the solution now. You didn't get the solution. So
but
the
they
base
said
of the cone
illustrate the diagram, so the information in a diagram. So it is also meant to be.
Are you sure I didn't give you 1 mark for that diagram? Are you sure I didn't give you 1 mark? I did. Let me see. No, I look at it now. You did not. You only showed the corner. You didn't show the hemisphere now.
See the hemisphere under it. No, here.
No,
Look at the last diagram.
Yeah, you didn't show the hemisphere as the hemisphere and the cone together as a single shape. You do them separately. That's not a correct interpretation or illustration of information. No, you can always tell me if you think that
just
I
like
wasn't
say she
fair.
drew nonsense, sir.
Say that again.
You can just say she drew nonsense.
No. I don't. No, that's you don't say that. That was a
You
good
know
attempt.
that.
You can always call me to my attention to it if you think that my assessment was unfair or anything I did is right. It's democracy, and I'll check. If I was wrong, I'll correct it and you get your mark. So that was why I didn't give you any mark for that. I would have given you one. So look at that. What did they say? They said the height of the cone is 6 times its radius. This is the height of the cone. Please let's be serious. And this is its radius. You can see that. Height is 6r. So that means height is 6r and radius is r. Do you understand? This is going to be slant height L of the cone. Of course, you know that this is a right angle. Do you understand? This is the radius of the cone. Radius of the base of the or radius of the cone. Now, what's the question? It says the first one says calculate what? Illustrate the information. That's an illustration. That's the illustration. So what's the second question? B. What does B say, Ajara? Please read that to us.
If the volume of the reservoir is
Beautiful. 333 over beautiful. Please write down.
5 centimeter cube. Calculate correct to the nearest whole number the volume of the hemisphere.
Beautiful. Now that's B Roman figure 1. Now, who has an idea now how to find the volume of the hemisphere? It is the They didn't say the volume of the figure. They said the volume of the hemisphere. The volume of the hemisphere. How do you do that? What's the volume of the hemisphere, by the way? Mohammed, what's the formula for the volume of the hemisphere?
The volume of the hemisphere. That is. I don't know. That's okay. half of the formula.
Volume of the sphere. So what's the volume of a sphere? Who can remember? Who remembers the volume of a sphere? Abadud, what's the volume of a sphere? Hello, is it there? Abadud, what's the volume of a sphere? Ajara, you and Abadud are muted.
Yeah, I'm there. Yeah.
What's the volume of a sphere?
Volume of the sphere. 4 per r cube or something like that.
No. Say that again. Ajara, what's
4
the
per
volume
r
of a sphere?
cube or something like that.
No. The volume of a sphere is 4 over 3 pi r cubed.
Yes, sir.
So half of that is going to be
2 over 3 pi r cubed.
So the volume of the hemisphere is over 3 pi r cubed, right? Now, but before we can find the volume of the hemisphere, we need to find what do we need? Do we have everything we need? Do we have everything we need? Do we have everything we need to find the volume of the hemisphere? No, we don't have.
We need to find the radius. No, we can just use.
We don't have the radius. How do we find the radius? They said the volume of what are we saying? The volume of the hemisphere is 3 over 3 pi r. If the volume of the reservoir is what? 3 over 3 pi r cubed. Now, what is the formula for the volume of the reservoir? Who can tell us? Volume of reservoir.
And when are we stopping?
You see, I can see you're already running out of fumes.
No, sir, I'm just.
No, it's okay. We're stopping at the end of this. This is just what we're doing today. We're going to be out of here as soon as we finish it. We are going to stop in a few. Volume of reservoir. Now, Ajara, what do you think is the formula for the volume of reservoir? Note that the reservoir is this figure, which has a cone mounted on the hemisphere with the flat face of the hemisphere fitting exactly to the base of the cone. Who has an idea? What's the volume of the figure? What's the volume of the reservoir? Now, this is what you do. Volume of reservoir is volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. What's the volume of the cone? 1 over 3 pi r squared h plus. Dude, you are not paying attention. What's the volume of the reservoir? That's the volume of the cone plus the volume of the hemisphere.
Yeah, I'm paying attention.
So the volume of the cone is 1 over 3 pi r squared h. What's the volume of the hemisphere? Mohammed, what's the volume of the hemisphere? Yes?
Yes, and the volume of the
hemisphere. The volume of the reservoir is the volume of the cone plus the volume of the hemisphere.
That is 1 over 3 pi r square h.
That's the volume of the cone plus what's the volume of the hemisphere?
That is 2 over 3 pi r square, pi r cubed.
2 over 3 pi r cubed. Aja, please take note again. The volume of the reservoir is the volume of the cone plus the volume of the hemisphere. Can you say that? So now, what do you think we need here? They said that volume is 333 whole number, blah blah blah. I need to find it. I need to find the radius. Let's find the height. Height of cone is what? 6 times radius of a cone. Can you say that? So that means volume of hemisphere, which is what? 300. Who's that now? Who's playing that audio in the background? You shouldn't be doing that. That means.
Who else?
Look at that. Look at that. That must be Abu Adud.
Abu Adud is muted.
Abu Adud, let's hear you. Abu Adud Mohammed, please speak up.
Playing it. It's me that's playing it.
Oh.
Stop that now. So now
everything is me. Everything is me.
Oh, sorry.
When she starts analyzing what's her name, she's misbehaving too much. She's getting too much. And misbehavior.
Okay, Ajara, please be careful.
What's her name?
Ajara, please be careful.
Sir?
Now,
what did I do?
Yeah, let's be careful. Now look at that. Volume of the reservoir is 33 1 over 3 pi cm cubed. 1 over 3 pi. That's equal to 1 over 3 pi r squared h plus what? Plus what? Plus 2 over 3. Please pay attention. Can you see that? Plus 2 over 3 pi r. But don't forget that h is 6r. So instead of writing h, what do I write? 6r. Do you understand? Change this to a fraction. Look at Mohammed, change that to a fraction. And 3 over 1 over 3 to a fraction is what? Mohammed, can you change that to a fraction? Help us change that to a fraction. Mohammed, please change that to a fraction.
Another one.
Okay. Mohammed, can you hear me? Let's be sure that you can hear me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You change that to a fraction. What is 33 over 1 over 3?
That's 667 over 2.
No. 333 times 3, and then you add 1.
I don't believe that, sir.
Yes, though. You change 2 number 3 over 5 to an algebra fraction. That's 5 times 2, 10 plus 3, 13 over 5 now. So 33 number 1 over 3, that will be 3.
My bad. 1000 over 3.
You better not let mommy hear that. 1 over 3 pi. Mommy will say, now look at that. This is going to be 1 over 3 pi r cubed. No, what do we write here, please? We should write here. I think I can say 3 here 1, 3 here 2. Is that correct? So then I'm going to have so I hope this is correct. Yeah, I'm going to have what? 2 pi r cubed plus what? 2 over 3 pi r cubed. I hope this is correct. We're finding the volume of, they gave us the volume of the reservoir, and they said we should find the volume of the hemisphere. No, why am I doing, this is the volume of the hemisphere. I should subtract the volume of the reservoir. I subtract the volume of the cone from the volume of the reservoir. Don't let's be lost, please. Let me rewrite that. I should just say volume of reservoir equals volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. So that means the volume of the hemisphere is going to be volume of the reservoir minus the volume of the cone. Do you understand that? That's the volume of the reservoir minus the volume of the cone. And what's that? What's the volume of the hemisphere? 4 over 3 pi r cubed. Hello? So let me bring back what I was saying before. Let's see. Okay, we can use that too. I think it's going to lead us. Yeah, okay, let's have it. That's 2 pi r cubed plus 2 over 3. So what do we now do? Let's take out the pi on the, yeah, that's correct. 1 over 3 pi equals 2 pi r cubed is common here. 2 pi r cubed into 1 plus, 1 plus what do you have? 1 plus what? I'm factoring 2 pi r cubed out of that now. 1 plus 1 over 3 r. If you can see that, pi cancels pi, and then we are left with what? 1,000. Please tell me if you don't understand. 1,000 over 3 equals 2r cubed times 1. That's 2r cubed. Plus what? 2r. Is that going to be raised by 4? What am I even doing here? Oh, there will be no r here. 2 pi r cubed. See what I'm doing? I just factored this out.
Are you the one whistling?
About dude, stop that now. Or who's that? Mohammed, stop that. Whoever it is. Let me just factor 2.
This is not Abdul is muted.
Okay, let me just factor pi. Mohammed, stop that. Let me just factor pi of it, and then I'll have 2r cubed plus 2 over 3r cubed. Do you understand? So this pi cancels this pi. About Mohammed, do you understand?
Yes, I do.
So I'm factoring pi cancels pi. So that means who can help us down? 1,000 over 3 equals what, Ajara? Somebody, Mohammed, do this for us. 2r cubed plus 2 over 3r cubed. Tell us what it is. What's that? Everybody do it. When Mohammed gives his answer, if it's wrong, you tell me yours. Everybody do that and tell me.
Why is it my answer is wrong? So why is it me?
No, your answer cannot be wrong. I want you to do it, and I'm saying them to get ready to. So if they disagree with your answer, they will tell us theirs. It doesn't mean that it's wrong. You are going to be participating a lot, and I'm going to be making you do that. So, and it's everybody. I cannot say anybody to do it. It's not to punish you.
It's me, sir.
Say that again. You should even be complaining that I'm being unfair to the rest of them, because that means you are the one I'm attending, to the most.
So I think that's 8r cubed over 3.
Mohammed, do you agree with that? Mohammed, do you agree with that?
Yeah.
Abadu, do you agree with that? Abadu, what's the answer to that?
I agree.
You agree? Okay, beautiful. Mohammed, do you agree with that? This is the same as saying 2r cubed over 3. Find the LCM 3. This is over 1 in 3 times 2r cubed. That's 6r cubed. 3 in 3 is 1 times 2r cubed. 2r cubed. And that's 8r cubed over 3. 8r cubed over 3. Do you understand? So that's 8r cubed over 3. Now, what do? We can multiply both sides by 3 to get, to simplify the fraction. If you multiply both sides by 3, then we have 8r cubed equals 1,000. Do you understand, Mohammed? Divide both sides by 8.
Wait.
R cubed will be equal to what? 1,000 over 8. Mohammed, if R cubed is 1,000 over 8, what's his R? Mohammed, what is R if R cubed is 1,000 over 8?
I didn't hear you.
If R cubed is 1,000 over 8, what is R cubed? You can simply say, in fact, from here, R cubed is 125. 1,000 over 8 is 125. So if R cubed is 125, what is R? If R cubed is 125, what is R, please? Mohammed, tell us. Abadu, please help him and let's go.
I think it's 5, sir.
Yeah, you can't be thinking it's actually 5. That's the cube root of 125. 5, is it 5 centimeters or meters? I think the measurements are in centimeters, 5 centimeters. Let's go over that again. They said volume of the reservoir is the volume of the cone or the volume of the hemisphere. Exactly. And we know that the height of the cone is same as 6 times its radius. So 1 over 3 pi r squared h is same as 1 over 3 pi r squared times 6r. And we simplified all of that to get r. Do you understand? So what's the second question? Ajara now. What's the second question? That's B Roman figure 2. What's the second question, Ajara? Hello? Ajara, what's the second question? Let's go so that we can be out of here. What's the second question? What's B Roman figure 2? Hello? Ajara, are you gone? You didn't tell us. Mohammed, what's the second question, please?
The second question, that is total surface area.
Of what?
The reservoir.
Yes, total. Ajara, are you back? Total surface area of reservoir. Abadud, what's the formula for the total surface area of the reservoir?
Total surface area.
Of the reservoir. You know that the reservoir is a combination of the cone and the hemisphere, the whole of this. Exactly. So how do you find its total surface area? How do you find total surface area of that figure? How do you find that total surface area? What a lovely diagram. How do you find that total surface area?
Pi r squared.
Say that again.
Pi r squared.
Pi r squared. Pi r squared is the area of the circle now. How can that be?
You know the surface area we're finding?
No, surface area is the surface that you can see. Or maybe I say the surfaces that you can see are the curved surface of the cone. See the surfaces you can see. The curved surface of the cone and what? And the area of the hemisphere. So that's going to be pi r L plus 2 pi r squared. You know the area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. So that of the hemisphere will be half of that, which is 2 pi r squared. Is that Jara back? Do you understand? So that's going to be Mohammed, can you hear me? That's going to be pi r L. The surface area of a cone is pi r L, and that of the hemisphere is 2 pi r squared. So we need to find L. How do we find L from the cone? We know the height and we know the radius. So we can find L from the cone. Exactly. From the cone, how do we find L? This is how you find L. Just bring out this right angle triangle. Sorry, we're leaving in a second. So L, this is height, H, and this is R. We already know the height is 6R, right? Exactly. So that will be 6 times 5, 30. You understand? While R is 5 centimeters. Do you understand? Let me call it HR. H equals height of cone equals, for the cone, let me bring it out so that you know what I'm talking about. For the cone, we know the height and we know the radius. So height, tell us when you're back, Ajara, if you're back. Height is 6R and the radius is R. We need this slant height to be able to find the curved surface area. So H equals 6R, which is 6 times 5, and that's 30 centimeters, while R is 5 centimeters. So that therefore means that L, Mohammed, how do we find L from here? What's L?
It's Pythagoras theorem.
Beautiful. Use Pythagoras' theorem, and that will be H squared plus R squared, which is 30 squared plus 5 squared, and that's 900 plus 25, which is 925. So L is the square root of that. Does 925 have a square root?
I don't think so.
Okay. Descend to the nearest whole number. So let's write that. Give me the answer, as a decimal. So 4 decimal places.
That is 30.4138.
30.4138 centimeters. So we can now say, therefore, total surface area.
30.4138. Yeah.
I've written that. So 30.4138, I've written that. So total surface area of reservoir will now be equal to pi r L. Pi r L plus what? 2 pi r squared. Pi r L plus 2 pi r squared, which is equal to pi r L plus 2 pi r squared is equal to pi r into bracket. Into bracket, what do we have, Mohammed? Pi r into bracket what? Pi r into bracket
L.
L plus what?
L plus R. L plus pi R. Or
L plus
2 R.
Are you guessing? L plus 2 R. It's correct. L plus 2 R. Just say 2 pi r squared divided by pi r down. R will cancel one of the r's here. Pi cancels pi. Let's say 2R. Please don't guess. So what does that mean? That's equal to, we know pi 22/7 times, what is R? 5 into bracket. What is L?
30.
Not 30, 30.41 plus 2 times 5, exactly.
Yes, sir.
2R, which is 2 times 5. And what does that mean? That simply means 22 over 7 times 5 into bracket. That's 10 plus 30.4. That will be 40 point. About we are leaving after this. Don't be tired. So what's the final answer? Give me the final answer. 22 times 5 times 40.4138 divided by 6. If you are there.
That is 635.074.
Say that again.
635.074.
Is it exactly 0.074?
Yes, sir.
And what was the degree of accuracy? They said we should leave our answer correct to.
Correct to the nearest whole number.
And what's it?
That is 635
35 chocolates or pizzas. It's an
centimeters
area, mind you. Beautiful
cube.
centimeters squared.
Yeah?
Squared area.
Okay.
The nearest whole number to the nearest whole number. It's the volume. And that's it. Exactly. So copy all of this before you run away. I'm not letting you go until you finish all of this. That's the end. That's the end. Copy that. Abadud, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Abadud, are you there?
Yes,
Yeah,
I am.
copy that quickly, and then beautiful. Copy that, and then we're out of here. Copy that, even though you are not DJ copy. Hurry up, and let's go. Yeah, beautiful. Can you now say that those questions weren't really difficult?
Sir, they were not difficult. They won't have been difficult if you allow me to finish, sir.
Mohammed, you always have an excuse.
But
wait. But that day you asked me to allow you 5 more minutes. Then I did. And we agreed that you were not going
that
to
was when you
complain.
give us time, sir. This one you didn't give us time.
Okay. You know what I'm going to do next time? I'm going to record whatever you say, and I'll allow you all the time in this world. I will now see what you will get. And whether you like it or not, I'm sending whatever you get now to mommy. I'll be sending it to mommy. That's a way of reporting, how you're faring in the lesson to mommy. I'll be sending your scores to mommy so that mommy can see whether what you are doing, and will know whether you are getting serious or not. I'll give you more time next time. Don't worry. Hurry up. Have you copied up to this point? About dude.
So?
Yeah, copy that. Hurry up.
Good.
Mohammed, let me move up. Have you copied up to this point?
Please, can you just
where are you copying? Where are you now? Mohammed, should I go to 12A? Mohammed, should we scroll? Mohammed. I don't know why we cannot hear. Mohammed, we are muted.
Oh, yes, sir.
Should I go to 12A?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hurry up, because I've already got that. Was H is equal to 6R. So quickly, volume of hemisphere equals that. Volume of reservoir is volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. Hurry up. Abadu, I hope you're writing to hurry up.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, mommy later bought the data for you. Was it mommy that bought the data for you, Abadu or daddy? Abadu, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Mommy later bought the data for you, right?
No, she's our hotspot. It's our hotspot.
Oh, okay. So let's go. Volume of the hemisphere is equal to volume of reservoir 1/3 pi r square. The volume of reservoir is the volume of the hemisphere plus that of the cone. You already know that the height is 6r. So instead of writing 1/3 pi r squared h, I wrote 1/3 pi r squared times 6r. And I did 3 in 3, 1, 3 in 6, 2. Let me write this 2 well so that you know that it's not a power. Should we scroll up, Mohammed?
Yes, I can scroll.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, Ajara is gone. Maybe she lost connections. They said to the near. I think it's supposed to be. Is it not supposed to be? It's supposed to be in centimeters. No, the dimension was in meter cubed, not in centimeters. They said pi. I think it's pi meter cubed. I was not. I made a mistake here. It's supposed to be pi meter cubed. So that radius is supposed to be 5. Is it pi meter cubed? So the radius is supposed to be 5 meters and not 5 centimeters. The measurements are in meters and not in centimeters. So this is supposed to be blah 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 meters. And this is meters too. So this would be meter. L is that in meters. And this is meter squared. So tell me where you stopped. Have I scrolled past where you stopped? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay, so let's go. Continue. The measurements are in meters. Tomorrow it's an exercise that you're not going to do and we're not doing a correction. Maybe, and we might not take as long as this. Maybe we just take 1 hour or 1 hour 30, and it's an exercise. We'll do the correction later. Abadu, where are you? Where did you stop? Hello, Abadu,
I'm almost done.
where are
Hello?
you now?
I'm
Where are
almost
you
done.
now?
I'm almost
Where are
done.
you?
Don't worry. I'm near the where
Okay,
you are.
okay. Mohammed, what about you?
Almost done too, sir.
Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
I can scroll.
Okay. I hope you have copied that part too, Mohammed. Mm-hmm. How are you, Corey? Yeah, you are around now, right? Mommy called me on Saturday. Yes, I think it was on Saturday. Yeah. Yeah, so, yeah, where are you now? Have you finished it?
So please scroll.
Okay. Mohammed, are you there?
Thank for Muhammad.
Mohammed.
Yes, sir. I'm almost done, sir. Go,
Mohammed, Abadu, I hope you are not playing your PS. I hope you are not playing your PS.
But dudes, what is Gobo?
I don't want to say Gobo. I beg, it's not even funny. I beg, not funny. I beg, everything is me.
Don't worry, I'll cut.
Muhammad, in fact, his name is Muhammad.
It's not, Joe. You're saying nonsense.
It's not funny, Muhammad. I beg.
Mohammed, is that how we shake talks? Mohammed, is that how we shake talks? We shake that wears jalabia all the time and appears like a real shake all the time. Is that how they talk?
Saying nonsense, sir.
You are still repeating it. Is that how shakes like you talk? You are supposed to be their role model. Their role model. When they misbehave, you tell them, not to do that. You should be calmer. Hurry, have you copied the Roman got 2? Abadu, have you finished it?
So you can scroll the diagram away, sir.
Okay, I should scroll past the diagram in Roman figure 2. You don't have that yet, Uncle. To surface area of reservoir equals pi r plus 2 pi r squared. Hurry up. We have to be out of here. This is 6R. H equals 6R. That means 6 times 5, 30. Abadu, do you have it already? No. Do you have that already, Abadu? Okay. Abadu is even gone. Mohammed, have you copied that? Let's go. Abadu is gone. Mohammed.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So where are you now? Sir.
Okay. Have you got here? Hurry up. Should I scroll?
Yes, sir. I can scroll to total surface area of the reservoir.
Okay. Total surface area of reservoir. Let's see that. So let's go. Make sure you have a neat note, man. Make sure you have a neat note as usual. I hope you know what I did. I just did 22 times 5 times, here. 22 times 5 times 40.4138 divided by 7.
So,
that's it. Do I do it back? No, it's not back. I think you are the last man standing. You are the strongest man, you see now. You are the strongest fighter. All the others have run out of bullets. And you are still standing. Would that be all? Have you finished that? Mohammed, have you finished that? Sorry?
Yes, sir.
Have you finished that?
Yes, sir.
I can't hear you. Have you finished it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beautiful. So make sure you take your time to go over all of these corrections. Do you understand? There should be no reason, why you would come by this again sometime in the next future or whenever and not get it. Exactly. Go over it again. You can even play the recording if you want to. And I'm sure that you will be able to answer questions like this next time. All right, then I'll catch you tomorrow, same time. We're taking an exercise tomorrow. We are taking a test tomorrow. You know, maybe
Yes,
1
sir.
hour. Oh, yeah. All right. My regards to mommy and daddy. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. And enjoy the rest of the day. Samuel Council
Yes, sir.
Abakatu.
Alaikum salam, sir.